Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to find mockup in Canva. In order to do that, click on the search right here, and then you can search in here for mockup. So there's actually a lot of mockup examples, so make sure to actually specify which one. So for example, you're selling an actual Instagram resource, you can head over and use this. You can also use in here some planner, expense planner, printable journals, websites, and a lot more. So for example, let's head over and then use this editable ebook templates. Now from in there, just choose which one you want and then head over and click on this customize this template in order to make this possible. Now this will open this template and then for example, you can upload or edit it to your liking. So what you can do is you can just add in here some photos. So for example, let's add this photo right here and then you can actually upload it on any square that you want or you see it fit. Now from there, you can head over and click on the share once you're done editing everything. So that's how you find mockup on Canva. Hope we helped.